Finally, we're going to look at what does D do to your problem. What kind of translation does D do? Well, D is a vertical translation. It moves it up and down that many times. So that's what you're going to take your midline, the line that cuts your amplitude in half, or where you have a positive amplitude and negative amplitude, and it moves it up or down. So on example 6, we want to state the amplitude, the period, the frequency, the phase shift, and the vertical shift of y equals sine of x plus pi plus 1. Then I want to graph 2 periods of that. So let's start with the amplitude. Well, your amplitude, there is no number you see in front of the sign. So it's 1, because if it was 0, it wouldn't be there. Our period is going to be 2 pi over b. And once again, because of the b is 1, the period is 2 pi. Our phase shift is going to be negative b, or sorry, negative c over b. Well, c is pi, so it's negative pi over 1. So I'm going to translate my graph negative pi. And then our vertical shift is going to be up 1, because it moved it up 1. Now, let's do this on our graph. So I'm going to graph y equals, we're going to say sine. Oh, let me get rid of the other one too. I don't like that one. Well, I'm going to have to type this one in first. So y equals sine of parentheses x, I got 2 parentheses there, sorry about that, x plus pi, and then we are going to add 1 onto that answer. Now let's talk about, we know our period is 2 pi, but I'm going to have a phase shift of pi. So I think I'm going to go from negative 3 pi to pi. So let's go from negative 3 pi to positive pi. And I got that way too big, don't I? Let me take a look at my graph again. Where period is 2 pi, what is going on here? I don't want to restart this video. Oh, I want to get rid of that one. That's why. So if we go from negative 3 pi to positive pi, you can see we definitely have a nice 2 pi or 2 period in there. I just had the other one on there. And notice it's moved up 1 from what it normally would be. Normally we go from negative 1 to positive 1. We're going from 0 to 2. There we have it.